Today we're looking at a Vista Cruiser, and let me tell you, this year Vista Cruisers have been going fast here at Long Haul Trailer Sales in Listowel. They seem to be very popular, so we brought in a brand new 2026 to keep up with the demand. The unit we're going to be looking at today is a Vista Cruiser 19 ERD. It's a 19-foot floor plan, 23-foot travel trailer, and it is a great unit in itself. Starting on some notable features on the outside that are iconic here for Vista Cruiser, and it's going to be the shape here itself. You've noticed they've got this great swoop here to them, starting at the very front all the way to the very back. That is a single piece of fiberglass from hitch to bumper. So that really helps eliminate any worries about water or damage getting into this trailer through seals on the roof that you might not always notice right away. You also have this diamond plating here on the front, which is standard here for these Vista Cruisers, and that helps protect the fiberglass here from stone chips flying up from your towing trailer, your towing vehicle rather. You've got a powered tongue jack on the front, manual stabilizers around the rest of the trailer, and you've got two 20-pound propane tanks that are covered on the front here as well. You have a pass-through storage area. This is the small side. The other side has a larger door here, but you've got a pass-through storage area here with these magnetic catches up on the top, so it's very easy to use. Flick it up, leave it there, it stays, rather than those clips you're trying to do one-handed or they break off from sun damage rotting them away over the years. These magnetic holds are great, and they also come with these slam latches, so nice and easy to open and close. Walking around the rest of this trailer, you'll notice there's a couple of windows here through the outside, but these Vista Cruisers do a great job at designing their floor plans to be nice, light, and airy. They've got bright wallpaper, nice LED lights, plus these windows let in lots of natural light, so when you step inside, it is not a dark, dingy trailer by any means. Walking around the rear, you're going to notice that diamond plating there as well. You've got that bumper there for your sewer hose, and they all are prepped for backup cameras. There's not one on here, but it's easy to install if you want to go that route. Got a nice large window here at the back, which is going to be over your rear dinette. You also have 100 watts of solar power on the roof, which is a great feature to help power some of the things on the inside of the trailer. And a couple other notable things before we step inside. I'll close this door here. You're going to see you've got a pretty much full-length powered LED stripped lit awning on the exterior. You also have a nice, easy-to-use TV mount, so you can take your TV from the inside and mount it on the outside. You've got outdoor speakers up above, and you've got a friction hinge door. You notice I had it open there earlier. Even on a windier day like today, it stays in place. It's easy to open, easy to close, and it stays in place wherever you put it. Stepping onto the inside of this trailer, first of all, let's just talk about how light and bright it is. You've got this great looking design here with this nice light wood. You've got the light wallpaper, light tiling, light marble tables, and all of that combined together gives you such a nice fresh floor plan. You've got this rear dinette with windows on either side all the way around, so when you are parked at a nice campground, you can still enjoy the outdoors when you're inside having your meal here. This is a great trailer because you're going to have this convertible dinette here as well, but you've also got a nice master bedroom behind me, so great for couples if you just want a place to eat and a place to sleep, but you can also fit your whole family here if you got kids, grandkids, extra people tagging along. This table drops down, not onto thin little wooden rails, but nice large rubber bumpers. That's one thing I've always liked with the Vista Cruisers. Drops down there, you've got a little bit of storage underneath here, and then these cushions will come across and you can have an extra place to sleep. You've got a nice Furrion radio set up there in the middle. You've got storage compartments pretty much all the way throughout this trailer, just like you would have in a home. Although it's got that nice swooping design on the outside, you don't really notice it as much in here. You still get these boxy storage compartments here with not a lot of pipes running through them and not a lot of awkward angles. Stepping back to look at the kitchen here itself, you've got storage up above. Tons of LED puck lighting, which I've mentioned before, all the way throughout. This trailer does a great job at casting light. You've got a deep stainless steel sink here. You've got a high-rise stainless steel faucet with a hose attachment. You've got a 3-burner stovetop, a microwave, which everyone knows you can get a lot of meals done in a microwave, but having a 3-burner stovetop on top of that, as well as an oven, means you have absolutely no excuses to be eating poor meals. Pretty much, unless you've got beautiful weather outside and you're cooking everything on a campfire, you've got no excuses to have anything but great gourmet food on your trip. Flipping over, I talked that we have a 100 watt solar power on this unit, which means you're going to have a full electric fridge freezer combo here. It's really nice to see all of these new features coming out with these 2026s. So it means you can actually keep your cool your food nice and cool when you're in transportation. When you're driving, it's not a great idea at all to have your propane running while you're driving, so the fact that you can have your fridge keep everything cool is an awesome upgrade. This is going to be that same mount I talked about with your TV, where you can slide it into this recess or have it outside, but you've got a mount right here where you can have it while you're watching from your dinette. You've got plugins here for everything you can imagine, and you've got all of your controls here, as well as your solar charger down below, your solar charge controller rather. Now stepping in to the master bedroom here, I really like this floor plan for the 19 ERDs because first of all, it's nice and open. You've got a straight shot all the way to the master bedroom if you wanted. If it's just a couple in this trailer or a family and you don't care, you just want to have an open floor plan, this is how you have it set up. But if you do need a little bit of privacy, the one thing I love about this floor plan is you've got the washroom recessed right in the middle. So it's easy to access if you're coming in from the inside. It's not all the way at the end of the trailer. Easy to access if you're just having a meal or if you're in the bedroom. But if you want to have a little bit more privacy, this door is dual purpose. So it opens you up to the washroom here. You've got a nice medicine cabinet. You've got a sink. You've got storage below. Easy access storage beside and your toilet. But opening up this door, you can actually latch this fully over. Now you pretty much have a master bedroom with an ensuite. You've got a nice large bed here. Storage compartments above and on either side. You have a 110 volt receptacle down here where you can place your personal belongings, whether it's an alarm clock, phone, CPAP machine. You can plug it in there with the 110 volt receptacle or 5 volt USB receptacle. You've got the TV mount similar to that you'd have in the dinette area, but in the bedroom. And you get the same story on this side. You've got your 110 volt receptacle, 5 volt USB receptacle, and opening up, you got storage with a proper wardrobe closet where you can hang up your clothes. So you've got a full master bedroom back here with now an ensuite to your shower and washroom. Got your shower right there. Nice full wraparound insert for the shower. Another way that they're eliminating worries about water seals, and that is separate from that main living area. If you want it back to kind of sharing family mode here, that latch comes over. Now you have a separate door for the washroom, and you've got access here. The last thing I like mentioning about these Vista Cruisers is they are built with a couple of great things here. You're going to have that 3-year Gulfstream warranty because this is a brand new trailer. You've got the unibody construction they talk about here, but the most notable thing I think is the Azdel advantage. So this trailer is built with Azdel composite. It's a synthetic wood composite, and it does not absorb moisture, can't take on mold or mildew, and it won't rot. It's lighter than wood, insulates better than wood, and it's a fantastic way that they can build these great quality trailers and keep them lightweight. If you want to see everything else with this brand new Vista Cruiser before it sells, because as I said before, they are going fast this year, come on down and check this one out at Long Haul Trailers in Listowel.